Hey, slot heads. Sitting here in the slot car closet. It's kind of messy between the building the truck and the midget. So, as you can see, it's a disaster. Cars that I got from Dave Kennedy. I told him that now I own the ugliest slot car ever made. Anyway, so the whole point of this video is I'm gonna build a slot car. I don't really do these things. I don't know. I haven't quite figured out what I do as far as YouTube and making content and whatnot. I'm kind of all over the place. So, but I need to build this for Mark Thomas's Winston Cup race. So I think I'm going to bring you all along for that. Not quite sure how I'm going to do that yet, but that's what I'm going to start tonight. And we'll see how that goes. So let's get there, I guess. I kind of feel guilty, like I shouldn't open this thing. You know, it's sealed. It's pretty old. I mean, I didn't pay much for it. I guess they're not worth that much. I don't know, but I got it off eBay for 20 bucks or something like that. So, but yeah, kind of feel guilty opening this up being brand new. I don't remember what year this thing was made. I don't know. I don't see it. But anyway, I'm going to get this thing opened up. I know most of y'all have probably seen the Snap Fast kit, but anyway, I'm going to open it up. You know, this thing is pretty small. You know, it's 132. You know, the crazy thing about me scratch building cars, I technically really haven't built a 132 car yet. I mean, I say I haven't. I technically have. My first one was this. George had helped me out with this, and I never finished it. I went straight into the hot rod class instead. So it was supposed to have had the I had, if I can get it out of there, hogged out the wheel wells and stuff, and this was supposed to have been something for Harry's. I don't remember anymore what it was. But anyway, I don't know. That almost fits pretty well on there. I might just have to use that chassis. Huh. Decisions. I need to go back at Mark Thomas's and the rules. I gotta figure out what wheels and tires these are. These might be the right wheels and tires as well. I don't know, these might be 15 by 10s. They look pretty wide. I'll have to go look. Well, so I looked. These are 15 by 8s. And the other ones I got are not 15 by 8s, these are 15 by 10s. According to the rules, they need to be 15 by 8s. And everything else, 15 by 10s, 17s, and those are even bigger. So, what are these back here? Yeah, 15 by 10s back there. So, I'm screwed there. Looks like I'm gonna have to get some new wheels and tires, but that's okay. I already have a motor, 17.5, I think is what that was for the rules there. Oh, that's down here. Yeah, right here, 17.5, long can motor only. So I think since I'm gonna have to wait on wheels anyway, I'm just gonna create a new chassis to begin with. Why not, right? So I got motor bracket, got a couple of them. So and I got plenty of brass, and I have more stashed everywhere else. So anyway, I'm gonna get started on laying out a chassis. All right, guys. So this is what I come up with for my Winston Cup car. I ordered new wheels last night and tires. These are 15 by 10, so I had to get 15 by 8s. Oh, excuse me. I still got to clean up a bunch of that solder. I decided to use piano wire mainly for the chassis rails, and I just kind of did a I guess like a bash bar or something. It actually, when you put this on, the front of the car sits right up against it, and it lines everything up really good, so that should be good. What else? The motor on there, still waiting on gears. Guide can't be shown, so once the front bumper's on there, you get to focus, you won't be able to see it. The only thing I got to do now is the body mounting. I'm not quite sure how I want to do that yet. I don't really want to copy Shotgun Dave, but I kind of had an idea of similar, I guess, would be to glue a post here and a post there, and then have a rod on either side and open the body and push it in there. That way it has some wiggle room, and then it would be, I guess, more stationary at front. That way, for the body float from the rear, it would kind of be able to move a little bit side to side, up. I don't know, we'll see. I haven't really done a whole lot of that stuff yet, so it's just you know, as I go, I learn as I go, I should say. But that's it. It's pretty ugly right now. Like I said, I'll clean up all that solder and it won't be so ugly. But thanks for checking out my car. I'm gonna do another video when I get the wheels and tires and the gears and things like that. So this is kind of like part 1. So anyway, thanks for watching. Later, Sawheads.